up some dust. Straight shadow. 4 forward, drifting to the right a little.
30 seconds.
Forward, drift. Contact light. Okay, engine stop.
We copy you down, Eagle.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
This is Apollo Control Houston at 105 hours. Now into the flight to Apollo 11. Our current plan is to have crew members aboard the Eagle to eat and relax for a little while prior to starting EVA preps. We won't know with certainty or have a reasonable time hack until about an hour before the scheduled event. Right now.